Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a haul. Yes? Huh? We're going to do one out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a clothing haul because I am going away on a trip where it happens to be cold. So I had to go out and buy some cold weather outfits. I went to Walmart, went to Rainbows, and I went to Marshalls, and I got the bags, honey. I didn't do a lot of damage because I can't afford to do a lot of damage, but yes. It's just little pieces here and there, and I wanted to show you guys so you guys don't sleep on these stores. All this right here was like under $100. Okay. Oh, let's get started. So the first place that I went was Walmart, and I got these. This is what this one looks like. It's like a blue sweater, and I got this for how much, you guys? I got this for $7. Go ahead and try it on so I can show you guys. Oh, this looks good with my hair. Oh yes. So this is what it is. This is an extra large. It's very comfortable. It's very thick. It's very long. That's how it goes down too. It's very loose, so that way like it's not like huggy. It's not like tight on my skin, tight on my body. It's very loose. Yes. And these little details on it made me like it even more. So I was like, okay, I have to get it, and guess what? I got it. Okay, so the next thing I got is this green cardigan. I also got this for $7. I don't have anything in this color of a sweater in my closet, and I could wear this whether it's cold or not, and it was $7. And this is also in an extra large. I got extra large and everything so that way it can fit more comfortable in my body, because you know I'm wearing extra large now. I need to go back down to a medium, okay? But yeah, so let me go ahead and put this on so you guys can see how it looks like. So this feels nice. This color looks amazing against my skin tone. It is very nice, and I have pockets in my cardigan, so that's always a plus to have a sweater that has pockets. It's very long. It looks very nice. I like the color. I just want you to know you're my favorite sweater. Well, not really, but okay, so the next thing I got is another cardigan. This one is more thick, okay? It's thick like me, okay? Okay, so this is the burgundy, deep red burgundy sweater. This one, it feels more thick. As you can see as well, it's definitely more thick than the other one. And it's also in the extra large. And let's go ahead and put this on. It makes my skin itch, but you know, we're gonna have to just get used to it. But yeah, this color is very nice. Yes, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's also the same length as the other cardigan. It has pockets. Yes, the material feels very itchy on the skin. That's gonna annoy me, but you know, when I'm cold, this will definitely keep me warm, okay? It's very stretchy too. It's a pretty cardigan. So the next place I went was Rainbows, and I love me Rainbows. Comment down below if you like Rainbows. I still shop at Rainbows because I definitely get some good deals. And like I said, I always go to the clearance section first, the sale section, and then if there's something else that I want, I look and see if I really like it, if it's really worth the amount that they're requesting. I'm very cheap. But you know what? I found some really good stuff. So let's go ahead and check it out. Altogether, I paid about $36 for everything at Rainbows. And for Walmart, They were each $7, so they were $21 for that, and then this was $36. So how much is that so far? $57. Okay, so the first thing I got was this tan sweater. I got this from Rainbows, and it was originally like $17, and I got it for $7. Okay, when you go to Rainbows, you will see this colored tag on here. It means it is discounted. Okay, this is the tag that I look for, and this is in a size 3X. I wonder how it's gonna fit. Sometimes when you go to Rainbows, like when they tell you like this is a 1X or a 2X or a 3X, sometimes it doesn't even feel like it. Like, I don't know if it's me or if it's like the size that they're portraying it for it to be, but this doesn't look like a 3X to me. But let's go ahead and try it on. Oh wow, this is very pretty. So this is what it looks like. I really like the sleeves. I love sleeves that look like this, like the detail on the sleeve. When it's like laid out like this, you can see it, right? Hope you guys can see it from here. It's a nice tan. It goes really nice against my skin tone, and it's very comfortable. It doesn't feel like a 3X, but it's definitely loose enough where, you know, if I eat a little too much, I don't have to worry about my stomach showing out. So this is definitely nice. It looks very, very pretty, and it feels very, very comfortable. It does not irritate my skin. It's not itchy like the other sweater, but this one is really nice, and it's very thick. And like I said, I love the details right here. Okay, and I love this tan sweater. This is definitely a great addition. Welcome to the family, girl. Welcome. Welcome, girl. Next sweater I got is also a 3X, and I also paid how much? $7. This looks awfully familiar to a website we all know and love. Okay, this is a sweater. This is a sweater. Of course it's a sweater. Okay, this is the sweater that I got, and as soon as I saw this, I was like, I want it, and I was so happy that it was in the clearance section, because to be honest, I wasn't gonna pay $17 for it. I'm pretty sure I've seen something similar to this on Fashion Nova. Okay, so yeah. So let's go ahead and try it on. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. This looks so cute on me. Ooh, I like it. Yes. This is very cute. Look how it looks on me. I'm telling you guys, this is not a 3X. It doesn't feel like a 3X. It's still a little loose right here on the side. It's comfortable. Like, I don't like my clothes to be tight on me because the way my body's set up. No, thank you. But it's very comfortable. It's very loose, and it's, you know, it's still nice. It's very pretty. Oh yes, we're gonna be slaying on this trip. Oh yes. This is very, very nice. It's very comfortable. I'm definitely gonna need a shirt underneath to wear with it, just like this one, or like another tank top or something. Okay, so the last piece that I got is actually like a whole outfit. Like when I saw this, I was like, they go together. Okay. This is a sweater. This is in a 1X, and I also paid $7. So this is what it looks like. It has like the pearls in the front. It's like a cream colors. Oh, the pearls are also on the sleeves. I didn't even know that. Yeah. So the pearls are on the sleeve. Hopefully you guys can see. And this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put this on. Like, I cannot wait to rock this. Like, this is a whole outfit. This is a whole vibe. Like, we're gonna be out here killing it, okay? This one fits. It's like fit. So, this is what this one looks like. It's a little bit itchy, the material, and it's my skin. But I'm willing to make an exception for this because I just love it so much. Like, it's really pretty. Like, it's very cute. Like, it's darling. Girl, yes. The last thing I got is this green skirt. It was also $7. It's actually it's really nice. It's very, what's that word, satin? Yes. As you can see, very satin. And it's really long. And I'm like, this goes well with this. Okay, so it's gonna be a whole vibe, like a whole outfit. So let me go ahead and try this on. This is what it looks like. It's very huggy. I should have gotten like a 2X or something. It is very long. I tell you that this is like a 1X. I promise you, this is not even a 1X. No. I have to see if I can go back and get a size up because this is not a 1X. That's like a medium to me. I haven't fit a medium since 2015, 16, so we need a up. Last but not least, I went to Marshall's. I always have like a clearance and I always having a sale, so they had that too. There were some things that I liked, but I was just like, the way my bank account is set up, like it's okay, maybe next time. But I was able to get a couple of things, and you guys, wait till I tell you. So the first thing that I got from Marshall's is this sweater. You guys, this sweater, this color is like amazing. This is in a large. It was originally $16.99 and I got it for $8. So this is a cool gray sweater. When I saw this, I was like, okay, yeah, no question about it. I need to get this. So do you see this? Do you see this color? Do you see this color on me? Do you see this sweater though? Like, who is she? Sweater is everything to me. All the way to here. It's not a crop top. And 2 thumbs up for this sweater. Okay, so the last thing I got is this blueprint terracotta. It's like a sweater, shirt type of thing. And I saw this, I was like, this is really, really cute. I have to have it. It was originally $15 and I got it for $8. And this is a size large. This is what it looks like. It has the long sleeve and this color is just like amazing, okay? And the material feels nice. It's not like stretchy, so it's definitely very fitted. I will definitely pair this with like a black skirt or a white skirt or something of that nature. Yeah, right? Let's go ahead and try it on. And definitely have like a shirt. Or it could even be like a dress and I just wear this over it. So yeah. How cute is this though, you guys? Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. Hey, it's very cute. Yeah. This is the whole outfit, look. Outfit. Very comfortable. I can lift my hands up if I'm going to church with it, so I can raise my hands in the air. Hey, yes God, yes God, yes God, hey, yes God, yes God. So the other thing I got were from Marshall's, and they're like, if you go to Marshall's, you can find like some name brands of like makeup and stuff like that, high-end makeup brands, and you can buy it for like a discounted price. So I went over there and that's exactly what I found. I was like, oh my gosh. I did get 2 things. They were from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm actually wearing this lipstick right now. This is in the color Staunch. This is the matte lipstick. Very pretty color. And guess what, you guys? I paid $7.99 for it. And the other color I got is this color called Dusty Mauve. Mauve. The 2 colors. And I did a whole Valentine's Day makeup look. If you guys are interested, I'll definitely link in below so you guys can check it out, so you can see the struggle that I went to get this color, to get this whole makeup look, okay? But I try my best. Yes, you guys, so that is pretty much it for this haul. I need to go out and get like some more bottoms and a pair of shoes, a pair of boots, so I can be comfortable, and I need a pack. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you guys, I'm so excited about this trip that I'm going on. Hopefully it will be, not hopefully, I know it will be a great trip for me to put some things in perspective, get back into my roots, you know, get back on my journey. So yes, definitely stay tuned, definitely subscribe so you can see the vlog when I go, and definitely follow me on Instagram so you guys can see where I'm at, and definitely follow me on Snapchat. I follow people back who follow me on Snapchat, and so you can see where I'm at, what I'm doing, what I don't post on Instagram. But you guys, I'm so excited for this trip. Last but not least, put God first and you will never be last. I'm gonna leave you guys with my favorite verse, which is Revelation 2:10. Remain faithful until death and I will give you the crown of life. What a promise. Like, that's my favorite verse in the whole Bible. Yes. So yes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.